Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a little review on an Adjust-A-Gate product that we actually picked up at Home Depot. So you can see here, this is the frame, and the beauty of this is you have an all metal gate frame, which is really going to prevent sagging. Especially here we're using mahogany, so all these hardwoods, once they get saturated over time, they get really heavy, and usually your typical hinges will start to sag. So even if you have a cable, it still isn't perfect. Also, you get a lot of that warping and whatnot. So here we're using Adjust-A-Gate. These are actually more or less meant to have a horizontal lap siding on it, and we've made a little bit of a modification here so that we can get our horizontal planks on to match our detail here on the actual fence itself. So this whole entire fence system is going to have to meet pool code. So really tight spaces here, especially when we do this horizontal siding, and all the gates have to open out. So that's why you're actually seeing a larger gap. Let me show you over here. We have almost finished product. So here we're able to make everything line up really nice. And we are going to have spacing here because by pool code, these gates have to open out by code. This is how we're going to get almost a full clear opening on this. If you're able to install these Adjust-A-Gates opening in, you can actually bring this siding right over here and only have a little small space to make it look tighter. But in this case we can't. So, all right, now you can see this is how the finished product looks versus over there where we have just the frame, and we put these nailers in so they can hold these boards in place. If you were going vertically, you would only need to nail the top and the bottom. You wouldn't need anything in the center. But in this case, we made that modification, which actually worked out really nicely. So this is the Adjust-A-Gate product. You can get it online. We happen to get these at Home Depot. Check them out. Great product. Make sure you subscribe and like for more cool content like this.